What's up, guys? Good morning. I hope everyone's doing awesome. So I just had a great conversation with a network marketer, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I think that the question he brought up is probably a question that a lot of people have, and I think it'll help you guys kind of understand our business model and also probably help you understand, be able to share our product and our company and opportunity with other networkers. So here's what he asked. So recognizing that our compensation plan doesn't pay out on product purchases, we pay out on memberships. He asked, if I have 1,000 people in my organization and each of them bought one bottle of Super Reds, that means I just brought in $18,000 in volume to the company, in business revenue, in sales, and you're telling me I'm not making a penny on any of that $18,000 that I'm directly or indirectly responsible for bringing in? And I thought that was a great question, because I think what a lot of people need to understand is that this is not the traditional network marketing business model where we jack up our prices 5, 6, 7, 8 times so we can pay out big commissions in the compensation plan. It's much more of a buyer's club type model. And what that means is this. Let's say that a group of us all wanted to create and buy for ourselves and our families the highest quality organic protein product on the market. We could all individually go to GNC or some other high-end retailer, pay 50 or 60 bucks and get an awesome product. And that would work. Or we could kind of pool our resources, create the highest quality product using only the best raw materials on the planet, have more input into what goes in it, and then share in the savings on that bulk order. So back to his question. Our organic Super Reds are some of the highest quality ingredients in the world. I mean, you look at our closest competitor is Organifi. They sell a similar product. Theirs is also organic, super high quality ingredients, great product. And we kind of modeled ours after theirs. We put in some ingredients that even theirs doesn't have, with super high antioxidants. I mean, Ryan, our formulator, is just a genius. And I think our product it rivals theirs. I don't want to say it's better. I think it is a little bit, but they've got a great product. Point is, they sell their product for $69. There's another competitor called Super Beets. They sell their product for $39.95, 40 bucks, and they have one ingredient. Our Super Reds is available to our members for 18 bucks with the highest quality raw materials, all organic ingredients on the planet. So the cost just to make that product in bulk, and we're talking 20,000 plus units, is almost 15 bucks. We're selling it for 18. When you factor in credit card processing fees, transportation charges to get it to our warehouse from the manufacturer, when you factor in employee costs, other overhead to run the business, there's no margin in that product. So yes, you're bringing in $18,000 to the company, but there's no profit on that $18 or on that $18,000 per his question. And so that's why we don't pay out commissions on the product. We want to keep the prices low to help more people be able to get these high quality products at affordable prices. If we were going to pay out commissions on the products, we'd have to do what everyone else is doing and raise those prices significantly to create margins big enough to pay commissions. Hope that makes sense. So what I explained to him is that's the reason why so many networkers struggle, number one, to make money, to keep, even the ones that make money, to keep their organizations, because the average person in the network marketing industry can't sell a $60 product, especially when there's a similar product available on Amazon for half the price. And now when they know that their customers are going to see a higher quality product at LiveGood for a quarter of the price, it's going to be very difficult for them to be able to continue and even, ethically be able to share a higher priced product when they know something better is available for much less. But where is the money is his question. And I totally get that from a network marketing perspective. But the way the network marketing industry currently works, it is not, I don't want to sound negative. This industry has helped a lot of people, but it's not the right way to market products. By marking them up, jacking up prices so a few people at the top can make a lot of money. It's time to change this industry and this model, and that's exactly what we're doing. So yes, you've got to sign up, and I explained this to them, a lot more people. You have to have a much bigger organization here than you would in another company to make the same amount of money, to make a lot of money in the compensation plan. But people are going to stick on these products for years and years because they know they're getting value. They know they can't get higher quality products at better prices anywhere in the world. And when they recognize that and recognize that we're truly helping people finally for the first time ever in many cases, those people are going to stick. And a lot of people who have been in 10 different companies in the last 5 years in this industry trying to make something work and struggling and never really creating an income, never even being able to sign up some. I mean, it's hard, guys. It's kind of embarrassing. That's why that price question, how much is it? And then you got to come up with an excuse like, oh, it's not about how much it costs, it's about how much it's worth. Or it's not about the price, it's about how much you can make and all this stuff. And you have to kind of make excuses to hide the prices or to justify the high prices. Here, you don't have to do that. You tell them the price. Hey, we're selling the organic Super Reds for $18 when our closest competitor is selling it for $70. And we have a better product. That is what's going to get people to stick. That's what's going to make it so easy, and already is, for people to be able to share these products and this company with others. For the first time ever, the average person who hasn't been able to sign up anyone in anything is finally able to get a customer. On top of that, both they and the customer are still going to be here in 5 years instead of looking for a new opportunity next month, which is happening in most organizations and most network marketing companies. So I closed it with this, our conversation with the networker. I'm like, look, in the next 6 months, you're going to get introduced, you're going to get pitched, shared this opportunity, this company, these products by at least 10 different people because the word is spreading quickly. You could kick yourself every time someone shares it with you thinking about this conversation, or you could get in and start building and have those people in your organization. The choice is yours. Either way, get the products. We'd love to have you. I'd love to work with you and help you as we do everybody. I mean, again, this company was created to help people, finally, to change the industry, to do it right, to do it ethically, to do it morally, and to help people get results, mostly physically, but also financially. And people are already making money. We're growing quickly. The word is spreading. You guys are awesome. Have an awesome day. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, that's it. Have a great day. Bye, guys.